You have anything in your pockets that might stab me, poke me, hurt me?
No, sir.
You have any drugs on you?
No, sir.
You sure about that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's this? It's a baggie of some kind of white substance.
It's pre-workout.
That's what they all say.
Carter, one more thing. I need you and Parker to go down to the range today and qualify. Stop watching. It's been 6 months. What, Chief? I saw it here.
Looks like a 45 caliber firearm. Any reason why you carry a firearm with you?
I figures K9's not available.
Oh, lovely. So now what?
Well, I did bring you around for a car ride, right? Let's use my dog, pretend it's a K9.
Alright.
Just follow my lead, alright?
Let's do it.
I got dog treats right here. Alright.
I don't think he's finding anything.
Well, he stopped here. I mean,
Yeah, because you're not moving.
I don't think so.
You have him on a leash. But look at that.
Well, he's still staying there. You
Wait.
don't know how K9s work, but he's not running off. He's not looking anywhere else in the car. He's looking right at you.
Well, just think of it this way. You're not directly ratting out your friend.
You don't know how to check a pulse?
Yes, ma'am.
Where's Detective Carter? Why are we here on a missing persons case? I don't know.
It's easy. Here.
I was told this is a $50,000 hit.
Half now, half later.
That's some shit. I don't even know you.
Listen, you just worry about getting your job done. If you mess this up, I'll use the other $25,000 to put a hit out on your head. So don't get it wrong.